Wow. A huge storm just threw leaves into our swimming pool. Look at it.
Let me go and get the mail before this wet.
It is like it is a mess. Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh. I think I'm gonna open up the door. Oh my, whoa. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh. It is March 27th. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh. The wind is. Let me let the.
No, that's not our cat.
Oh. Oh my God. Jesus. Oh my God. Wow. It is March 27th, 2015. We're here in Hialeah. Wow. Let me get a better. See if we can get a better view in here. Yeah, it's really windy outside. I don't hear any rain though. Oh my God. To my south, the weather is a whole lot worse. Oh my God. Wow. You could see the way the leaves are all thrown around like that right here. Oh, wow. Just look at our pool. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy. This is crazy, man. Dang. Whoa, look at that. Look at that tree. It's just shaking in the wind. Oh my god. This storm is huge. It's not really raining or anything, but it's just the wind.